Introduction. Two linear equations in the same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. Example, the cost of 1 kg potatoes and 2 kg tomatoes was 30 rupees on a certain day. After 2 days, the cost of 2 kg potatoes and 4 kg tomatoes was found to be 66 rupees. How do we find unknown quantities? The following methods are used for finding the solution of a pair of linear equations. 1. Model method. 2. Graphical method. 3. Algebraic methods. Substitution method and elimination method. Solutions of pairs of linear equations in two variables. The pair of values of the variables x and y which together satisfy each one of the equations is called the solution for a pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved using various methods. Graphical method of finding solutions of a pair of linear equations. The graph of a pair of linear equations in two variables is represented by two lines. 1. If the lines intersect at a point, then the point gives the unique solution of the two equations. In this case, the pair of equations is consistent. 2. If the lines coincide, then there are infinitely many solutions, each point on the line being a solution. In this case, the pair of equations is dependent. Number 3. If the lines are parallel, then the pair of equations has no solution. In this case, the pair of equations is inconsistent. Example, two rails on railway track are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Represent this situation graphically. Relation between coefficients and nature of system of equations. There exists a relation between coefficient and nature of system of equations. 1. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the pair of linear equations is consistent. Number 2. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equations is inconsistent. Number 3. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equations is dependent and consistent. Example, check whether the following pair of equations is consistent. 3x plus 4y is equal to 2 and 6x plus 8y is equal to 4. Verify by a graphical representation. Solution. 3x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. 6x plus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, they are coincident lines. So, the pair of linear equations is dependent and have infinitely many solutions. Algebraic methods of finding the solutions for a pair of linear equations. Substitution method. There are several situations which can be mathematically represented by two equations that are not linear to start with, but we can alter them so that they will be reduced to a pair of linear equations. Example. Solve the given pair of equations using substitution method. 2x minus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Solution. 2x minus y is equal to 5. First equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Equation 2. Equation 1 can be written as y is equal to 2x minus 5. Substituting in equation 2, we get 3x plus 2 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 11 is equal to 3x plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 11. 7x is equal to 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 by 7 is equal to 3. Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 5 is equal to y is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Substitute the values of x and y in equation 2. We get 3 into 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Both the equations are satisfied by x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Therefore, required solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Elimination method. In this method, first we eliminate one of the two variables by equating its coefficients. This gives a single equation which can be solved to get the value of the other variable. Example. Solve the following pair of linear equations using elimination method. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Solution. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Equation 2. Let us eliminate y from the given equations. The coefficients of y in the given equations are 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Equation 1 into 3, 9x plus 6y is equal to 33. Equation 2 into 2, 4x plus 6y is equal to 8 is equal to 5x is equal to 25 is equal to x is equal to 5. Substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1. 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 11. 2y is equal to 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the required solution is x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 2. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. The solution of pairs of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making suitable substitutions. Example: a man travels 370 kilometers partly by train and partly by car. If he covers 250 kilometers by train and the rest by car, it takes him 4 hours. But if he travels 130 kilometers by train and the rest by car, it takes 18 minutes more. Find the speed of the train and that of the car. Solution: let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour and that of the car be y kilometers per hour. Also, we know that time is equal to distance by speed. In situation 1, time spent traveling by train is equal to 250 by x hours and time spent traveling by car is equal to 120 by y hours. So, total time taken is equal to time spent in train plus time spent in car is equal to 250 by x plus 120 by y. But total time of journey is 4 hours. So, 250 by x plus 120 by y is equal to 4 is equal to 125 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 2. Equation 1. Again, when he travels 132 kilometers by train and the rest by car, time taken by him to travel 130 kilometers by train is equal to 130 by x hours. Time taken by him to travel 240 kilometers by car is equal to 240 by y hours. Total time taken is equal to 130 by x plus 240 by y. But given time of journey is 4 hours 18 minutes, that is 4 into 3 by 10 hours. So 130 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 43 by 10. Second equation. Substitute 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b in equations 1 and 2. 125a plus 60b is equal to 2. Equation 3. 130a plus 240b is equal to 43 by 10. Equation 4. For 60 and 240, LCM is 240. Using the elimination method, equation 3 into 4, 500a plus 240b is equal to a. Equation 4 into 1, 130a plus 240b is equal to 43 by 10. Subtract. 370a is equal to 8 minus 43 by 10 is equal to 80 minus 43 by 10 is equal to 37 by 10. A is equal to 1 by 100. Substitute A is equal to 1 by 100 in equation 3. 125 into 1 by 100 plus 60b is equal to 2. 60b is equal to 2 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 8 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. b is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 60 is equal to 1 by 80. So, a is equal to 1 by 100 and b is equal to 1 by 80. So, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 100 and 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. X is equal to 100 kilometers per hour and y is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. So, speed of train was 100 kilometers per hour and speed of car was 80 kilometers per hour.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.